Hello students. Now let us go through the word problems based on money. We have already completed the word problems based on numbers where we did a 2-digit number sum, a 3-digit number sum, one very simple sum of greater number and smaller number, and one a fraction based sum. These are the 4 sums that we did which were based on numbers. Now it's time for us to start with the word problems based on money. But before we start the sum, a small concept that you need to understand. Listen to this very carefully. Okay. Now say for example, we have 5 notes of 10 rupees and we have 7 notes of 5 rupees. Okay. So we have 5 notes of 10 rupees and we have 7 notes of 5 rupees. Now if the question is, what is the total number of notes? What is the total number of notes? The answer is 5 plus 7, which is equal to 12. Okay. So if the number of notes are x and y and the condition is about the total number of notes, the total number of notes will be x plus y. Clear? So if the number of notes are x and number of notes are y, then the total notes are x plus y. Now if the question is, what is the total amount that you have, then what will you do? 5 notes of 10 rupees, so total 10 into 5, that is 50 rupees. 7 notes of 5 rupees, so total 5 into 7, that is 35 rupees. So total amount that you have is 50 plus 35, that is 85 rupees. So if the condition is with regards to amount, then how will you form the equation? 10 into x, that is 10x, plus 5 into y, that is 5y. So it's 10x plus 5y. So if it is about the number of notes, the equation will be x plus y. But if it is about total amount, then the equation will be 10x plus 5y. This is very important. So you need to read the question properly. If they have given the total number of notes, then say x plus y is equal to 12. But if they have given total amount, then 10x plus 5y is equal to 85. Clear? Now if this is clear, then the sum is very simple. This is basically an activity based sum. Solve the following problems using 2 variables. To find the number of notes that Anushka had, complete the following activity, right. So we are supposed to find the number of notes, and as you all can see, it is already given. Suppose that Anushka had x notes of rupees 100 and y notes of rupees 50, right. X notes of rupees 100 and y notes of rupees 50. So what is the total number of notes? X plus y. And what is the total amount? 100x plus 50y. Remember this. Now read the question. Anushka got rupees 2500 from Anand as denominations mentioned above. Rupees 2500. So total amount is rupees 2500. So what should be the equation? It should be 100x plus 50y is equal to 2500. This table will make it more clear. The number of 100 rupees notes is x and 50 rupee notes is y. We already saw this concept in the previous slide. So the total amount will be 100x plus 50y, right. So number of notes into denominations will always give you the amount. So the total amount is 100x plus 50y. You can directly write the equation 100x plus 50y is equal to 2500. The explanation is already clear with the help of the previous slide, right. Now you can also reduce this equation by dividing throughout by 50, or you can keep it as it is. The choice is absolutely yours, your comfort, right. Now let's see what happens ahead. It says that if Anand would have given her the amount by interchanging the number of notes, again interchanging. So initially the amount was 100x plus 50y. Now it will be 50x plus 100y or 100y plus 50x, right. So let's interchange the notes. Now there are y notes of 100 rupees and x notes of 50 rupees. So now the total amount is 100y plus 50x. So now it is 100y plus 50x. He would have received 500 rupees less Initially they had 2500, now 500 rupees less. So it is 2500 minus 500, that is 2000 rupees. So this time the equation is 50x plus 100y is equal to 2000. Let this be equation number 2. So we are getting two very simple equations. The first equation is 100x plus 50y is equal to 2500. Now the number of notes are getting interchanged. So it is 50x plus 100y, and Anushka has 500 rupees less than the previous amount. So 50x plus 100y is equal to 2000. Initially she had 2500, now she has 2000, right? Simple equation. Now let's solve the two equations. We can subtract the two equations. We have already multiplied the second equation by 2 and we got 100x plus 200y is equal to 4000. We just did it quickly because by now you are very comfortable by the method of equating the coefficients, right? Now let's subtract the two equations and we get, in subtraction don't forget to change the signs. We get 50 minus 200, that's minus 150y, and 2500 minus 4000, that is minus 1500. So minus 150y is equal to minus 1500. So y is equal to definitely 1500 upon 150. Just take care of the zeros and you get y is equal to 10. Once we get the value of y as 10, you substitute the value of y in the equation. We get 100x plus 50 into 10, that's 500, is equal to 2500. So 100x is equal to 2500 minus 500. 100x is equal to 2000. So x is equal to 2000 upon 100. X is equal to 20. We got the value of x as 20. We got the value of y as 10. So Anushka had 20 notes of 100 rupees and 10 notes of 50 rupees. As simple as that.